In a surprising turn of events during a legal proceeding, actress Blake Lively found a unique way to pass the time while awaiting developments in her case. Known for her roles in popular television series and films, Lively was involved in a mediation session at a federal courthouse. The session, which began early in the morning, soon led to moments of waiting as discussions unfolded between parties. It was during this downtime that Lively decided to introduce an element of leisure into the otherwise serious environment. She reportedly contacted her chauffeur to deliver a personal item that could help alleviate the boredom of the slow-paced judicial process. The item in question was a mahjong set, a traditional game originating from China that involves tiles and strategic gameplay. Mahjong has a rich history, dating back centuries, and is enjoyed worldwide for its blend of skill, luck, and social interaction. Lively's choice of this game reflects her known interest in it, as she has previously discussed teaching friends how to play. In past interviews, she has expressed enthusiasm for the game, noting that she isn't a professional instructor but enjoys sharing the basics with those around her. This often leads to her gifting sets to friends who become hooked on the pastime, indicating her passion for fostering such hobbies. The specific set delivered to the courthouse was likely one of high quality, given Lively's preferences. Specialty mahjong sets can vary widely in price, with premium versions featuring intricate designs, durable materials, and even custom elements. Standard sets are affordable, but those from boutique brands can command higher prices due to their craftsmanship and aesthetic appeal. Lively's affinity for these upscale versions suggests she appreciates the finer details, perhaps the tactile feel of the tiles or the elegant storage cases that accompany them. The context of this incident was a lawsuit involving Lively and a former colleague. The case centers on allegations of misconduct, with Lively seeking resolution through mediation before potentially proceeding to trial. Mediation is a common step in civil disputes, where a neutral third party facilitates negotiations to reach a settlement. This process can be lengthy, involving back-and-forth communications that leave participants with periods of inactivity. It's in these interludes that individuals might seek distractions, and Lively's decision to have her mahjong set brought in highlights a creative approach to managing the stress and tedium of legal battles. Arriving at the courthouse early, Lively was prepared for a full day of proceedings. However, as the morning progressed and the mediation commenced, the need for a diversion became apparent. By mid-morning, her driver appeared at the entrance with the game in tow, ready to hand it over. This act not only demonstrates Lively's resourcefulness but also the support system she has in place, including personal staff who can assist with such requests promptly. Mahjong itself is a fascinating game that requires concentration and strategy, making it an ideal activity for passing time productively. Players typically form groups of 4, drawing and discarding tiles to create specific combinations, similar to card games like Rummy. The game's cultural significance is profound, often associated with family gatherings and social bonds in many Asian communities. In Western contexts, it has gained popularity through adaptations and celebrity endorsements, further popularized by figures like Lively who bring it into the public eye. Lively's public mentions of mahjong have contributed to its visibility. In a detailed interview, she elaborated on her experiences, explaining how she introduces the game to friends and watches their interest grow. This sharing aspect underscores the communal nature of mahjong, which can turn a solitary wait into an engaging session if others join in. Although it's unclear if anyone else participated during the mediation, the mere presence of the set could have provided a mental break from the intensity of the discussions. The lawsuit details involve claims of harassment and attempts to undermine reputation through manipulative tactics. The opposing party has denied these allegations, setting the stage for a contentious resolution process. In such high-profile cases, public interest is high, and every detail, including seemingly minor ones like bringing a game to court, can become noteworthy. This incident adds a humanizing layer to Lively's public persona, showing that even celebrities seek normalcy in stressful situations. Expanding on the broader appeal of mahjong, it's worth noting its evolution over time. From its origins in the Qing dynasty to modern digital versions, the game has adapted to contemporary lifestyles. Luxury sets, like those Lively favors, often include tiles made from high-end materials such as jade or ivory substitutes, engraved with artistic motifs. These elevate the game from a simple pastime to a collectible item, appealing to enthusiasts who value both function and form. In the context of court proceedings, introducing personal items isn't uncommon, though it usually involves reading materials or electronic devices. Lively's choice stands out for its analog, tactile nature, perhaps reflecting a preference for unplugging from digital distractions. This could tie into wellness trends, where mindfulness activities like board games are promoted for reducing anxiety. Lively's career, spanning from teen dramas to blockbuster films, has often intersected with fashion and lifestyle. Her interest in mahjong fits into this, as it's a sophisticated hobby that aligns with her image. Gifting sets to friends also speaks to her generous nature, fostering connections through shared experiences. The mediation's outcome remains to be seen, but this anecdote provides a glimpse into how individuals cope with legal stresses. For Lively, mahjong served as a bridge to familiarity amid uncertainty. As the case progresses, more details may emerge, but this moment captures a blend of celebrity life and everyday resilience.